Ever wondered what's behind the blinking LED of your favorite gadget? Let's demystify together. Today, we're diving into the heart of electronics, the all-important breadboard. No, it's not for your sandwiches. It's the playground for your electronic ideas. Invented in the early 20th century, breadboards help us prototype electronic circuits without soldering. Imagine building Lego sets but for electronics. That's precisely what a breadboard does. It's a grid of tiny holes, each connected in rows or columns, allowing you to plug in components. Ever got a new electronics idea in the middle of the night? All you need is a breadboard and some components to bring it to life. A breadboard is the perfect starting place for beginners in electronics. It's where you can experiment, learn, and even make mistakes without damaging any components. But it's not just for beginners. Even the most experienced engineers often turn to breadboards for quick prototypes. Once you've created your circuit on a breadboard, you can move it onto a printed circuit board, or PCB, for a more permanent setup. Still unsure about how to use a breadboard? Don't worry, we have dedicated tutorials for you, and for those ready to jump in, we have a world-class selection of breadboards and components you can choose from. Join us in this fascinating journey of creating and learning. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about your breadboard adventures.